In this video, I'm going to go over how to use Google Lighthouse to audit your website. So Google Lighthouse is a free tool provided by Google to audit your website and discover what's right and what's wrong with your website in a technical perspective. So let's get started with it, guys. To get started with Google Lighthouse, you have to be using Google Chrome browser, and then you go to the website you want to audit, and you go right click, and you go inspect, and then we should see the inspection panel pop up on the right hand side here. Now we can't see Google Lighthouse on this bar, so we go to the extra panel there and we see Google Lighthouse. And now you can see that Google Lighthouse gives us a few options for the reports. We can report on performance, progressive web app, best practices, accessibility, SEO, and we can have a look at mobile or desktop. Let's look at mobile and all the categories and hit generate report. Now, this can take a bit of time as Google thoroughly goes through your website and discovers what's wrong with it. This is a really powerful tool because, as we all know, Google is one of the biggest search engines for SEO. So it's important that with digital marketing that we make sure our website runs correctly and is ranked highly in SEO so we can achieve the best results and get the best rankings. So using this tool can give you an insight into what Google thinks about your website, which is really, really valuable. It's also free as well, so it saves you paying an agency or another web company to audit it. This is quick, easy, free, and gives really detailed results as well, as you'll see in a minute. And it actually gives you feedback and suggestions about how you can improve it, which is really, really cool. And I think one of the best things about Google Lighthouse is that it literally tells you how to fix what is wrong. I think it's very, very underrated that Google doesn't promote this product as much as they do, because I think a lot of websites would benefit from just auditing their website and discovering what's wrong with it, and then they can make some changes to improve it. So in this example here, we're actually auditing my website to see what is happening, and I'm going to walk you through what's wrong and what's right and how it all goes about. Geez, that didn't go well, did it? So, according to Google, my performance is a 5, which in their ratings is bad in red. 0 to 49 is bad, 50 to 89 is average, and then 90 to 100 is good. So it's given me a performance rating of 5, accessibility of 87, best practices of 71, a 99 SEO, and then a progressive web app they haven't ranked me for. So you can see they've ranked my performance on the website of 5, and these are the factors they're looking at when ranking it. Now, all these factors look at how fast your website loads and how fast it becomes interactive. So time to interactive is 31.5 seconds. Google is saying that some of these extensions might be affecting my performance, so it's probably best to do this in incognito mode next time. But you can see all these factors are being ranked. If you click on them, or if you click on this button here, you get a bit of a drop down about the ranking. Time to interactive is the amount of time it takes for the page to become fully interactive. If you hit learn more, Google opens up a new page and gives you some more information. Now going back, let's have a look at SEO. We can click on it to find out more. And you can see that one of the issues we have is that tap targets are not sized approximately. And you can see down here in past audits that I've passed all of these audits. So this is really, really powerful for you when auditing your website because it gives you something to work on. So going back up here to my performance, I would go, okay, I need to work on my speed. I need to work on how fast it becomes interactive. And these are all things that you can send to your web developer and go, hey, this is a scientific measure. These are the results. I need to see an improvement. How can we work together to achieve this? So guys, I hope this video helped. This is how you can use Google Lighthouse to audit your website and learn more about it. And overall, it's a really, really cool tool. Oh, I should just quickly add, down here, you can see the opportunities Google gives you to improve it. You can see I could save 6.8 seconds by using eliminate render blocking resources, and it even gives you some links to look at where you're going wrong. Properly sized images could save me a second. So what Google's saying is that I could basically cut down my image size. I could remove unused JavaScripts. Once again, these are all things you can send to your web developer to get them to have a look at. You can also see the diagnostics here about what is wrong and what Google thinks about it. And that is how Google Lighthouse works. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, it means a lot to me if you could just leave a comment or subscribe. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.